Looking for a tow vehicle for maybe a car, trailer, camper? Take a look at this. 2018 Ram 2500 heavy duty. As you can see, crew cab, long box. This particular vehicle, 4x4 of course, powered by a Cummins turbo diesel. It'll be a 6.7 liter. And that is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, 350 horse, but it's the foot-pounds of torque or pound-feet of torque that make the difference on these. 660 pound-feet of torque. This particular vehicle is a 2-owner vehicle. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, regular maintenance history, confirms miles, just shy of 56,000 on this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, I got the engine bay, interior, undersides, box. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Of course, this is loaded with all the modern amenities you're going to have on the later model cars compared to a lot of them you see here on our website. Go ahead and take a look at the interior. Of course, you got kind of your infotainment system, I would call it, as far as with a touch screen that has applications on it that is going to have, of course, your stereo, navigation, all kinds of controls on that. Steering wheel controls. There's your manual shifter on the floor. As you can see, split bench seat up front. Take a look in the back here too. Of course, cloth gray interior on this one. That is also in nice shape. Power driver seat. We'll get around to the other side. We'll start it up, so you can hear it run, check the interior out a little bit closer. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Go ahead and show you the box on this. Of course, backup camera, if you can see that there. This would have the easy down tailgate with the side mounted struts here. Spray in bed liner. Box of this also in very nice shape, as you can see, with it up and down the side of this truck, not full of dings, nicks, scratches, any sort of rust, bubbling, anything like that. Tires, a lot of tread left on those. Polished aluminum wheels, stock, that would have came on this. Let's go ahead and check out the interior a little closer. You can see not much wear in the interior at all as far as the rear goes here. Headliner, nice shape. Nothing to hide again on this one. There's your power driver seat. Again, not full of wear, rips, tears, anything like that. Once again, Carfax is clean, regular maintenance history, no accidents indicated. I have not seen any sort of paint work, any sort of indications of that. And appears to be pretty much stock the way this would have came from Ram in 2018. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up here a second. All right, obviously Siriusxm Radio to it. You'd have your dual climate control, HVAC system here. All right, so we have heated and driver's seats controlled up here. And again, applications would be on this as far as the media would go. Check it out right there. Dash, everything in nice shape. And again, if you got any questions on this, feel free to call in, discuss any questions you might have with your sales consultant. Steering wheel controls, DEF fluid gauge. There's your miles, 55,989 it reads. Like I said, just shy of 56,000. All right, let's slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Then we'll go ahead and just check out the engine bay real quick, show you how clean everything is on this. Doesn't smoke. A lot of miles, a lot of life left in this truck yet. I'm going to pause this a second. I do want to at least pop the hood, see and check out the engine bay, get a look underneath there, see how clean and tidy it is.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. Here you can hear that Cummins diesel running. One thing I will show you in here, always an indicator of if the truck's had any work done to it. You can see if there's sockets that we put on these bolts. Nothing there. Nothing there. Once again, the car factor's clean, did not show any sort of accidents indicated. Come take a look at this side. There's not been any sockets on that. Again, it's kind of a telltale sign that they've adjusted fenders or some work's been done to it. Very clean underneath there. Doesn't hardly look like it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. I think this one's been babied. 2018 Ram 2500 heavy duty 6.2 Cummins diesel in there. Excuse me, back in my GM days. 6.7 liter Cummins diesel in there, and that would be with a 6-speed manual transmission. Got any questions? Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.